Aquarius and my Geminis. What's up? I'm about to dive into your reading and see what's going on in your life and what will be coming about. I appreciate the likes, the comments, the shares, the subscribes, the saves, all of that lovely stuff. All right, let's dive in. What do I need to share with the air signs, the air elements in this time? What do I need to share with them? Okay, man holding a coin. All right. Open your heart to what is in front of you. Be willing to explore like never before, like you've never done before. Open your heart and let yourself know that you are worthy of love. Try not to sabotage what is coming your way. And be interested of more of things that are currently in your life. Gain more interest in the things that are currently in your life. Okay? What else do I need to share with the air elements? Universe? All right, financial constraints. What you knew about money then is not what you know now. Interesting way to put it. Try not to lend what cannot be borrowed. So, for real, try not to lend what cannot be borrowed. So, if people or someone is asking you for money and you know that if you were to ask this person for the amount of money in general, just for money, period, you know if you were to ask them, could you have some money, they would not give it to you. So try not to lend what cannot be borrowed. Save your coins. Use them for your own personal use or your business, for some of you who have your own business. So one more card from this energy deck. 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel. Opening waves. No more constraints in your financial realm. Be willing to invest in ways you have never done before. Dry your eyes to your past. Okay, and pay attention to what it is that you want to bring about within your future. She is with you. Okay, my air elements. Archangel Uriel. She is with you. Okay. We're going to go ahead and move into the mudra. Which mudra do they need at this time in their life? Dharma Pravaratana Mudra. It assists in integration, harmony, and balance. Benefits. Assists in setting all elements and systems of the body on the path to health and self-healing. Supports energetic well-being. Helps to integrate all elements. Opens one to inner peace and inner knowing. Element, awe, instructions. Touch the tips of all fingers together to make a small dome shape. Align the edges of the thumbs with fingers parallel, keeping all other fingers together. Gently bend the knuckles to form a rounded space in the palms. Place hands in front of the solar plexus. Focus. All of who I am is in perfect alignment and well-being. All right. And this is the hand sign that you need to make with your hands to help promote integration, harmony, and balance inside of your lives. Okay, my air elements. So I'm going to do one more mudra. Okay. Stability, Apana Mudra. Releasing, calming, grounding. Benefits. Reduces stress and anxiety. Relaxing effect on the pelvis and lower body, helping with menstrual issues. Supports all eliminatory processes. Element Earth. Instructions. Touch the tip of the thumbs to the tips of the middle and ring fingers of each hand. Allow the other fingers to extend straight out, palms facing up. Rest the backs of the hand on thighs, knees, or in the lap. Relax shoulders and lengthen spine. Focus. I release and trust as I send my roots deep into the earth. I like that. All right. So those are the two mudras you should work on, my lovely air elements. Alrighty. Next, I will be diving into this water tarot deck. It's called Mermaid Tarot, for those who are interested. Show yourself the balance that you need in order to move forward. Don't let people hold you back from what it is you want to experience in your life. Two of Pentacles. Do all that is needed. Do all that you want. Do all that you care for. Feel your way through life. Don't let your fears hold you back from completing tasks. Some things are meant for you to do and for you to do only. No one else. Only you. Okay? What else do I need to share? Page of Pentacles. Try not to resist happiness because it is in your direction. It is coming your way. It is something that you want. It is something that you crave for daily. Open yourself up to what will be revealed unto you. Things change for people who have change of hearts. And it seems that you are going through a change of heart. Okay, for some of you, you are entering a zone of darkness. You entering this zone of darkness is what's allowing you to be able to receive what you want. Judgment. You don't have to be perfect to experience true love. You don't have to have everything together. And you don't have to know it all. You just have to be yourself. You have to be willing to let go of things that no longer serve you. Okay? All right. Four of Cups. Some things may not look like they are what they are when you are not paying attention. It's up to you to know what you have when you have it. Or you'll know when it's gone. All right. And then we have the Emperor card next. Sitting on your throne, knowing that what have left your life is now entering again. Try not to mess it up. So this sounds like a relationship, some form of commitment that you have or that you had. All right, take it however it resonates. Everyone's pace of life is different, okay? And that's just that. So what else do I need to share with them? Open your mind to the treasury within. 10 of Pentacles. Know that everyone cannot eat off of your plate. Only the ones that were there for you. Only the ones that were rocking with you. Okay? And it's not even that they'll be eating off of your plate. They put in work. They put in effort. They helped you with this. So it's more of a gathering. It's a sharing of the benefits. It's a celebration. Okay? All right, my lovely air elements. I do appreciate all of your lovely attention spans. I'm going to stop your reading right here. And I am going to continue part 2 over on my Patreon. I do appreciate all of your support, your love, your light, your assistance, all of that lovely, beautiful energy. I appreciate it. If you want to tune in to your next reading, part 2, it is in the link in the description box below. So yeah, head over there and see what the rest of your reading looks like. Peace.